Agents, how do you create a win-win deal in real estate? The ability to negotiate effectively is a crucial skill for agents to possess when representing their clients in a real estate transaction. However, successful negotiations go beyond securing a favorable outcome for one party. To properly negotiate a win-win deal, here are 3 things that you can do. Number 1, understand the needs and motivations of all parties. Take the time to learn about both parties' goals, constraints, non-negotiables, and expectations. This knowledge empowers you to negotiate terms and prices that meet the seller's requirements while appealing to prospective buyers. Number 2, prioritize clear and frequent communication to ensure all parties are well informed throughout the negotiation process. Transparency builds trust and fosters a cooperative environment, increasing the chances of reaching a mutually beneficial agreement. Number 3, seek creative solutions and compromises. Be willing to think beyond traditional negotiation parameters and find innovative ways to bridge the gaps between buyers and sellers. By actively engaging in problem solving and considering various perspectives, agents can uncover win-win solutions that may not have been clear initially. Hey you guys, this is Darren Zuber with the Zuber team. If you're looking for a team that can help maximize the amount of deals you do a year, market for you, support you, really do almost everything for you, give us a call today at 435-9999.